Hello, Namaste everyone, and today I am going to talk about Reiki techniques. Many people from us learned Reiki and they feel that Reiki only works for certain purposes, especially physically or emotional or mental healing. Yes, of course, Reiki works on these areas, but this is, I think, we make its energy limited. We should not create limitation on Reiki energy because Reiki energy can work in all areas of human and animal or any part of nature's life. We cannot limit Reiki in three balancing areas. If you are suffering from financial issues, so Reiki can work there as well. So one by one, I will take all areas and I will talk about it. So first I would like to talk on financial area. If you are going through financial area problem, money flow problem, or any kind of financial issues, so Reiki can help you easily. If you are Reiki level 1, so you need to work hard because Usui Reiki level 1 does not have any symbol, it is only based on touch therapy. So you need to spend little more time than Usui Reiki level 2 master or grandmaster level people. So first of all, make your Reiki wish box. Second, use affirmations with Reiki. 5 Reiki principles, we all know about them, but very less people knows about that. Before Reiki, if we affirm after the prayer of Reiki, invocation of masters and Reiki, if we affirm something which we have wished for, that will manifest very easily and very soon. So masters always talk about affirmations, so use money affirmations. I am money magnet, money follows me, I am abundant, I am prosper, I am loved, everything, whatever you like, money loves me. 5-minute meditation on this affirmation and then start healing yourself, all 24 points, and soon you will see great changes in your financial status. Next method is using abundance meditation, which I am teaching in Usui Reiki level 2, and a powerful meditation I am teaching in Money Reiki. Also, you can learn Money River Reiki. It has a powerful meditation for money flow and abundance or prosperity. When you learn Reiki, so you learn about the chakra system, and basically our prosperity, abundance and confidence area, everything belongs to our lower chakras. So if you use a Reiki regularly on these chakras, so you will find great changes in your financial status. One more thing, if you are Reiki practitioner, so always have faith in Reiki that it will provide you everything whatever you need many times before you ask for. So this is another simple method. You can use your Reiki box. I am talking about Reiki wish box. When you create a Reiki wish box, so remember it should be made of wood. You can put a beautiful crystal inside it. Crystals like citrine, aventurine, rose quartz, clear quartz, whatever you like, you can put inside it. You need to draw all your symbols. Use green color in drawing and visualization when you are asking for prosperity and abundance, or you can use golden light too, it will work. Send Reiki to Mother Earth. If you send Reiki to Mother Earth, you will feel abundant very soon, and Mother Earth always return everything in million size. If you give Mother Earth a small seed, so it will return as a tree. So these are some simple and very small tricks. I am not going to take your more time. So please practice all these methods and ask me about this. I will make another video about money issues with Reiki, how we can resolve and how we can use the advanced techniques. So stay in touch. I will post more. Thank you very much. Lots of love, Ritu Kaushal, Kaushal Reiki at the rate of gmail.com. Please contact me for learning and for healing sessions and for tarot sessions. Thank you. Om Shanti.